Hey fellers, just a rainy, cruddy day. I think it's like the 29th or 30th, something like that. And just do a quick video, say hi. We cleaned up the garage and got that all ready to go for spring, and that's about it, man. We're just we're surviving, waiting for the warmth like everybody else. Burning all kinds of papers and stuff. Got the shop all cleaned up and ready to go. Finally, organized. Tigers even won yesterday. Show outside though. It's rainy, nasty. Right over here out the window. Oh, there you go.
Oh. All right, bye guys.